All the events featured in this video is fake. This was made for entertainment purposes only. With that being said, enjoy the video.
The following message is a civil danger warning. All residents of Portland, Oregon, lock all of your doors and windows immediately. An unknown individual was spotted breaking into people's homes, abducting young children, and attacking anyone in his sight. A description of this individual has not been given yet. Stay tuned to this station for more information. Evacuation is advised. The following message is an immediate evacuation. The suspect, now known as Garrett Richardson, has been spotted planting bombs in cars, houses, and high-populated areas in the state of Oregon. All citizens of Oregon should try to evacuate to at least Topeka, Kansas. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, flashlight, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries for your journey. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. The suspect's next target is Boise, Idaho. The following message is a civil danger warning. All residents listening to this message, lock all your doors and windows immediately. Garrett Richardson has been killing everyone he sees from Portland, Oregon, and is targeting Boise. Everyone try and hide in your basements. This message will now quiet at this time for your safety. Please continue to carry out the following instructions. God damn it. Oh. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is a national emergency. All broadcast stations shall translate this message. Stand by for details. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. Garrett Richardson has detonated a nuclear bomb in Boise, Idaho without warning. All people in a 500-mile radius needs to find a fallout shelter. It has been confirmed that Garrett Richardson was killed in this explosion. This is an emergency action termination. All clear. I say again. All clear. All the fallout has cleared out of the air. It is now safe to exit your shelters. You have survived this terrorist attack on the United States. However, Garrett has killed 20,000 people. 18,234 to the bomb. The other 1,766 by knife, AK-47 etc. It will take months to rebuild all of the damage from Garrett. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.